What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at my summer 2020, crazy year, right? My everyday carry EDC. I try to keep it simple. I'll show you is what I use out here in the hot heat down in Arizona for my everyday carry. Let's go ahead and dive in and take a look. All right, so the very first thing I'm going to show you, because you can't get into Costco without one of these or some of these other places, whether you like to travel or whatnot, is a mask. But you need a comfortable mask. You need one that's actually functional. You need an N95. I've got one right here. By the way, all the links to these products, I'll try to get them all in the description below, but let's go ahead and show you what this looks like. So basically, when you open it up, you'll see this little white pouch. This is interchangeable, so you can change this out and then you wrap this around. Let me put it on and show you what it looks like when you wear it. So if you're gonna wear any mask, it should be comfortable. You could see, I mean, it wraps around your ear like that, right? But the mask itself, it works, it's comfortable, it's not the end of the world. I'd rather not wear one, but hey, the times we're living in, require this. So I have my Apple AirPods. You can see I've got this black case. I like the case because it allows me to carry it from my keychain if I want to, but it also looks good. It looks better than that flat, white. This is a matte black kind of case. It was just something I got more for a style thing. Then when it comes to pens, let me show you guys this pen. This is from Smith & Wesson. So it's got multiple utility. It's a tactical pen. Link will be to this product below, but you can see it's a pen. But right here, you can, whatever you may need that for, breaking glass or whatever, but you can see it's got this really strong tip here. I have this really cool carbon fiber comb. I personally like to comb my hair every once in a while just to kind of tidy it up, keep things in line. And I carry a comb with me, just a really lightweight comb. Then I have a tactical wallet. I will put a link to this one below. It carries just my essential gear here. But wallets can be huge. And if you haven't tried a tactical wallet, you may consider it. But I wanted one that was really functional. And this one does it here. I will put a link to this one in the citation below. Okay, so you guys know what this is. This is pepper spray. Well, I'm not gonna be carrying a gun on me because even though I live in Arizona and I don't carry a gun typically or a knife, but I will carry pepper spray. This is just in the event that I need to use it. It's really small, fits in your pocket, and it's something to have on you in the event you need it. I do have guns. If it gets to a point where I need to carry a gun every single day or a knife, which I don't consider a very good self-defense weapon. A knife, a gun is, but not a knife. Anyway, I use this pepper spray. This is what I like, this is what I recommend. Okay, so when it comes to keys, you want to be squared away, right? You don't want to have too much bulkiness, but you need one of these strong, sturdy keychain hooks. This is the one that I got. I got a link to it below. It's really strong, durable. It's got some other functional uses to it. Comes with 2 hooks. Pretty good. This one right here is just a $15 Olight. It'll get the job done, and it's pretty bright. I mean, look, you can see it, but it's so small. It's like half the size of my thumb. I don't need anything bulky. I mean, I'm trying to go lightweight here. That's my thing, okay? Next thing I got right here is a tile in case I lose my keys. If you guys haven't used these tile products, I've been using them for a year and probably lost my keys like a few times, and every time, instead of having to run around my house trying to find it, use my phone app, bingo, I find it. And then when it comes to if anything like a multi-tool, I just got this really efficient Gerber. I didn't have to spend too much money to get efficiency, like whether you need to get a little Phillips tip or some sort of tip, a bottle opener. It's got multiple uses. I mean, this is a little Gerber. You get it for less than 10 bucks on Amazon. It's pretty good. I recommend it. And then when it comes to eyewear, I use Spy. This is a matte black. These are the Helos. I always use this brand. I've probably been using this exact same brand for a few years now. And then when it comes to belts, because we all know we need belts, I go with the tactical belt. I've used leather belts. I've used reversible belts. This tactical belt does everything I need. It's my size, works for me, and I do have a link to this beauty right below in the description. So if any of this is considered too much, the things that I really only probably use the most are going to be my ear pods, my wallet, my keys, my sunglasses. Oh, and I forgot to show you a really great hat. It doesn't have to be Titleist or FootJoy, but one of these hats, but I like fitted hats. I will put a link to this or one like it below, but I do always wear a hat pretty much because I like to keep the sun out of my face. The pen is one thing that I use, but I don't always need a pen because I have a phone. So I could probably do without the pen, and hopefully soon I'll be able to do without the mask. But until then, I don't know. You could probably do without the comb, but if you're like me, you know, you cruise with the comb. All right, everybody, thanks for watching my everyday carry for summer 2020. With these crazy times that we're living in, hopefully things go back to normal and I can give you another EDC that doesn't involve a mask and some of these other items like pepper spray. But thanks for watching, subscribing to this channel, and we'll see you on the next one.